Here in this video, we will show you why size of error log becomes very high, even more than 230 GB, and how to permanently resolve this. The file size of error log becomes very high under various circumstances. In order to study all of them, first of all log into your cPanel and then go to CP Cleaner. Now from here, click over Start New Scan. Now from here, you will find a list of all files which are consuming high disk space. Among all these files, there is a file called error_log. We need to check the size of this file. If the size is very high, you need to delete this first. If it is very low, you can simply read the error log by going into the relevant location. Try to understand what is the error, what it is printing over there. If you really understand it, simply find the cause and find the solution. You should take the help of website developer who really knows PHP. If you are not a web developer, then you might find it hard to solve. If the error log file is more than 100 GB in size, simply delete it. Wait for the next file to be generated. Read the error and then try to fix it. You really need programming skills. Simply log into cPanel and then go to Multi-PHP INI editor. Once you go inside it, you will find several parameters. Select the location as home directory, or else you can select a particular domain. Now from here, there is a parameter called display_errors. This parameter actually allows PHP to display the error or print the error. Simply disable it to reduce the probability of printing the error. Now finally, click over Apply. In this way, your PHP INI settings will be applied successfully. Please subscribe to our channel if you have still not subscribed. If you want to buy a cPanel web hosting services which contains CP Cleaner as an awesome feature, if you enjoyed this feature and if you would like to buy a hosting service, then in that case redserverhost.com is the best platform to buy reliable and cost-efficient cPanel web hosting services.